few days back, I uploaded a video. No, I uploaded a shot mentioning that my Polo is asking for service. Now, that's a good news, mainly because when your vehicle asks for service, that means you get a chance to upgrade the parts or replace the parts. Basic general service is what I'm talking about, like the oil, air filter, cabin filter, and spark plug if needed, and cleaning the brakes. And your car gets it becomes brand new if you maintain it properly. So my Polo asked for service, and pretty excited was I. We had all the parts come in. So I got the Castrol oil, 5W40, and then I had the oil filter, air filter, cabin filter. So basically, I just wanted to do a basic service, clean the sensors, and then check the spark plugs. Spark plugs may be pretty new, but even if I had to change it, I'm going to be changing with NGK iridium spark plug. Now, if you don't know, all my bikes have iridium spark plugs, and they just work wonders. They're amazing. Combustion is amazing. We'll explain that in the later video. Now, what happened that day? Now, the problem is, this is a German car, and if you see older Polo, this is Polo TSI 1.0 2020. Now, if you see the older Polo, the the filter has, I think, 22 mm spanner. If you have it, you'll be able to open it, but not the case with this one. You need a special tool to open the filter, which I did not have, so I had to source it immediately, which came in, but that tool was of no help. It was not opening the filter, and the actual socket that is needed, that is nowhere available. So we decided that we'll give it to the guy at the garage and get the oil changed in front of us screen. Now, after getting the oil change, now it was the time for me to change the cabin filter. So basically, I don't know if you can really see it. This is the cabin filter. You just have to slide it and just pull it down. It'll come off. Oh my! This is the. You see, this is how. Yeah. Oh god, this is very dirty. I was breathing black air inside my car. Now let me show you the new one. So this is a new one. You can see the difference. I don't think service center has changed it the last time. So the air filter goes up first. Yeah, this way. Once it is done, you just lock this both sides. Slide it and lock. Yes, that's it. Down. You slide it down and it comes off, and then you change it to the new one. You can see how dirty my AC or the cabin filter is. It's dark, as dark as fuck. Now, once you change the cabin filter, then we can move on to open the air filter box. Now, the air filter, to change the air filter, you'll have to remove the air filter box out first. Now, to do the air filter, we'll have to open the bonnet first. So, we'll open the bonnet. Yes. Let me just fit the bonnet first. Okay, now we will Now, let me tell you first thing. This is the air filter box, okay? And what we have to do is we have to unhook these. What do you call them? You have to unhook these. I'll mention the name on the screen, and then there's a bolt here. I think there will be T50 or 45, but then you'll have to unhook this bolt, and then you'll have to, one of the pin there, you can't see it actually, one of the pin there you have to remove it. So let me just remove the box itself first, and then we'll change the air filter. I'll show you the old one, and then I'll show you the replacement as well. We will first open this bolt, then we'll loosen the clamps on the both side, and then there are push back buttons. I'll show you. You just have to pull it out, it'll come out. So the bolt is out. Now we will remove the hose. Just slide it off on the both side, and this side remove it from its place. And now I need a plier. Okay, that's it. This is done, and we got one more to go on the other side. Okay. Just make sure when you do this, you just push them upward. You don't remove it, it's difficult to put it back. Now all you have to do is wiggle a bit and remove it. I'll show you from the other side. Yeah, this is the air filter box. We're gonna keep it down here. Now I'll show you. You see these are the one which holds the the air filter box. Remove this, remove that, the clamp and the screws, and you're done. Now we will go ahead and fit the air filter. Let me open it. So to open it, you would need to open all the screws, the bolts that are everywhere. I'll open it, fit it, and then I'll show you. My God, look at the color. Look how. So this is how dirty is the air filter. How is your car supposed to even breathe? Now let me show you the new one. This is the new one. Can you make out the difference? Before you fit it back, just make sure to clean and remove any dust which is there inside and outside. So it's very easy. You just have to ensure that this hole, alright, fits into this one. Now you just have to place it, that's all, and then put the box cover back and just tighten it. Now make sure this one goes properly, the middle one, and yeah. Now that's it. All you have to do is tighten back all so the box is fitted with air filter. Now we'll fit it back. Now you see, it's always better, it's a good practice to cover your intake. Otherwise you don't know, while working dust may get inside and accumulate. Otherwise we will just fit it, and let me show you how to. नहीं नहीं ये तो कटिंग तगोली बस बेटा now put back everything that you removed, including the pipe. Now we'll fit this pipe, hose I mean, and then we will just so that is it. This was the last part. We put this clamp back, and air filter is all set. Now the only thing left is wheel alignment. We'll check that while going. Well, the good news is we serviced the car actually. now now we were able to service the car, as in we changed oil filter, air filter, cabin filter, oil itself. I actually I'm pretty happy with the way we have done it ourselves, apart from changing the oil, that you know what happened. Now the AC is more chilling, and the moment I change the oil and change the air filter, I could literally feel the pulling in the car is much better than before. And then it's a Polo. You see, the Polo is known for performance, pickup, and the power has definitely come back to what it was originally. Now, I will not say the car becomes brand new, because it's not just these parts. There are other parts also, the suspension, the brakes, and the sensors, and many other parts. But currently, my car, I've maintained it brand new. So I don't see any issues at the moment, and the service is done. We will reset the service, the spanner symbol that you see, the service, we'll reset that as well, and then we are good to go. Now that is it for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Click on that like button, click on the bell notification, so when I upload the next video, you are notified. And I'd love to see your comments, your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do that, and please don't forget or leave without subscribing to this channel. This channel is growing. We are on the way to 10,000 subscriber, and you can be a part of our family. You subscribing to our channel only motivates us more to do more and more content, better and better each video that we make. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Ride safe.